Hello guys, it's beautiful to have all of you again today. We'll be talking about the Canva app today. So the first thing, we want to launch the Canva app and get familiar with it. Basically, that's what we'll be doing in our tutorial for today. So immediately you launch the Canva app, this is exactly what you see. As you can see already, choose from over 50,000 free ready to use templates for your next project. So guys, this is what Canva is all about. Canva gives you ready-made templates. All you just have to do is to edit them. Is that not beautiful? Well, what are some of these templates types that we can see on Canva? So once your Canva app loads, this is exactly what you see, this interface. And here you can see that they have a whole lot of things. Instagram posts, so designs that have the dimensions, the sizes already in each of this category. So that is one good thing about Canva. You don't have to bother yourself going to choose sizes again, just like we do in Photoshop or CorelDRAW. No, these are pre-made templates. They're already with their sizes. So if you want to do an Instagram post, you have all of these. All of these are free resources for you to use. And I tell you, almost all of these templates are free. You just have a few of them that are premium. And of course, you have to exhaust the free ones before you go to premium. You have a lot of resources, good resources to make use of. Now, away from that, you can see posters. If you want to design posters, the sizes are there already for you. You just choose the template and then you edit them and you're good to go. Your stories, you have flyers of different kinds, sales flyer, whatever kind of flyer you want, Valentine flyer, Christmas flyer, business flyer. All of these can be seen on Canva. Beautiful. What about Facebook posts? You want to make a Facebook post? For those who run adverts, Facebook post is the size of your Facebook post is very important so that it can be optimized to fit into all the display channels that Facebook would put up your ads. So if your Facebook post do not meet that required dimension or the size of the design, then you have difficulty reaching a larger audience. Okay, that's by the way. We may talk about these Facebook ads much more as we progress. Logos. So Canva also offers you a pre-made logo template. So you just choose the logo you want. If it's a fashion logo you want, if it's a business logo, a company logo, just go ahead and choose it and then click on it and you start editing. Card landscape, menus, food menus, presentations, PowerPoint presentations. These are the substitutes for it. You can do something like that on Canva. Book covers, 3D ebook covers, and all of them. All of these can be done with on Fiverr. What about YouTube thumbnails? Yes, most people who put up their videos or upload their videos on YouTube do not really know the importance of thumbnails. Thumbnails are very powerful. In fact, they are what gives your videos a wider reach. Yes, the more attractive your YouTube thumbnails are, the more reach you will get, the more people will see, the more it becomes visible online for people to see online. So these are stunning thumbnails templates that are here. Just click and then you start editing. Invitation card of different types, photo collages, phone wallpapers, certificates. Imagine designing a certificate with just your phone. Amazing, right? Okay, letterheads, mobile videos, business card, interesting, banners, resumes, invitations, etc. Okay, so we are going to end this video right now, and in the next video we are going to start from scratch and just make a simple design, and then we're going to talk about a whole lot of things. See you on the other side.